event at the Principality Stadium in Cardiff. A real packed house today. We've got 172 delegates booked on to the event, which we're absolutely delighted with, and they represent around 100 different businesses from across the food sector. So today we have representatives from all manner of restaurants, from takeaways, cinemas, cafes, bakeries, a real diverse group of food businesses.
Hello, my name is Richard and I come from Digwyddiad Cafe.
My name is Maria and I come from Digwyddiad Cafe too.
Well, I really enjoy the fact that you get to see a broad or more general knowledge and especially to focus on what you need to focus on. So it's very refreshing and making sure you focus on the right things.
My name's Norman Mitchell. I'm from Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. It's a very informative event, and I think for us, knowing about mock EHO site visits, which we didn't realise could be arranged, was very helpful for us as a trust.
It was really useful to also be able to clarify many of the doubts that you have when you start a new business.
Opportunity for delegates to mingle, to speak with members of staff of SRS and to answer all those burning questions, covering things like allergens and health and safety and catering environment, and a little bit on Brexit, which is a hot topic at the moment.